Chapter 10. Natural conflict. Collision is not chaos, but the guardian of order. Humans assume conflict is a sign of destruction. That tension means the world is collapsing. That collision threatens survival. But for life, conflict is not catastrophe. Conflict is the oldest mechanism for keeping systems stable. Life has never moved in calmness. Life moves in structured tension. Without conflict, there is no selection. Without selection, there is no adaptation. Without adaptation, there is no survival. This is the truth humans rarely understand. Conflict is the reason life remains alive. Conflict creates space for the effective. When two organisms compete for space, the winner is not the most aggressive but the most efficient in using energy. Conflict eliminates waste, accelerates efficiency, and leaves only structures capable of survival. This is not chaos, it is filtration. Conflict tests systems before they collapse. In ecology, there is no stability without collision. Predators restrain prey populations, prey regulate predator populations, pathogenic bacteria limit species dominance, viruses prevent overpopulation, and fungi decompose the dead so the living receive nutrients. These conflicts occur not because of hatred, but because without limitation, life would destroy itself. Conflict prevents destruction. Conflict is an early warning system. Conflict forces adaptation. No species changes in comfort. Change happens only when the world rejects them. Pressure is a message. Conflict is instruction. Every form of adaptation, wings, venom, color, symbiosis, even the human brain, was born from life's pressure. Without collision, there is no innovation. Conflict determines function, not personality. Humans often label conflict as evil, negative, or destructive. But for life, conflict is not character. Conflict is function. Its function is simple: to ensure that only the most effective strategies survive. There is no morality within it. There is no right side. There is no wrong side. There is only effectiveness. Conflict seeks balance, not victory. Biological conflict never aims at total annihilation. If one side wins absolutely, the system collapses. Nature always chooses balance. Predators need prey. Prey need predators. Pathogens need hosts that remain alive, and hosts need pathogens to keep the immune system active. This balance is not harmony but stable tension that keeps life in motion. That is why Earth is never truly stable yet never completely chaotic. Conflict is Earth's language for regulating populations. When one species grows excessively, Earth does not scold. Earth does not threaten. Earth introduces disease, energy scarcity, climate shifts, new predators and new competitors. This is not punishment, it is the algorithm of balance. That algorithm existed long before humans understood disease or disaster. Conflict as the foundation of systems. Conflict is part of the anatomy of life. It is not a system flaw, it is the foundation of the system. Life cannot survive in total peace. Total peace is stagnation. Stagnation is the path to extinction. Conflict is how Earth maintains dynamics. Dynamics are how life preserves existence. The coldest truth humans must accept is conflict. Conflict is not the enemy of life. Conflict is the reason life continues to exist.